Hi guys, I'm happy today because I received my parcel from Aramex. This is what I ordered from Amazon. This is actually a Qubo tripod, and I'm really happy because I received the parcel within 12 days. Imagine that. So let's check inside and we'll see how it looks like. And I am really excited to open it. Alright, I am going to check it inside. So basically I opened it with my scissor. And there we go. This is the one that I ordered from Amazon. It's called Qubo camera tripod with a 360-degree ball head. This is lightweight actually, and you can use its tabletop standby as well. So you can use this one as well with phone, tablet, with action camera, travel portable, the camera as well, microphone, and monocular and selfie. This is how it looks like. My tripod Qubo. And this is for an action camera, and this is for the phone. And this is the ball head mounting plate. This red one is a non-stick rubber surface. And this is actually the tripod. It's quite heavy, but it's really stable.